Hello there. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Design. I hope you will be fine and my good wishes always with you. Today I am presenting the different amazing this 60 plus different holiday seasons decorating ideas that will be enjoyed in this video, because in this video you are enabled to crafting the and dye Christmas decors and the attachment of the pine cones and the different amazing ideas. And in this video you can get the solutions how to your become very amazing and attractive and cozy atmosphere right in your living rooms. If you are looking for a Christmas decor inspirations that both stylish and inviting, you are in the right place. Get ready. If you're ready to transform your home into a different heaven of a timeless holiday beauty. Please subscribe and hit the bell icons, and let's embark on the journey of the crafting joy with the dye Christmas decors and enchantment of the pine cones. Before we unwrap these delightful decor ideas, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and hit that notifications bell. Where to start and when decorating your living room for the holiday? We have got your covers. Today we are solving that problem with the pattern and the different ideas that will turn your space into a festive heaven without the stress. From creating a cozy Christmas living room to the elegant Christmas tree ideas, and from incorporating the Thanksgiving elements into your decors to achieving a warm and inviting aesthetics, this video has it all. Sticks around for the natural holiday decor tips, metal decor inspirations, and even some Christmas drawing ideas to add a personal touch to your space. In this video is a perfect for anyone looking to create a warm, cozy, and stylish living room for holiday. Whether you are decors and someone hosting the friends and family, or just love festive season, these ideas are the tailored just for you. Yeah, you can see that different pin cones attach and dye pin cones. You can how to collect and decorating pieces easily made in your home. The festive warmth and the timeless charms with our warm and cozy Christmas decor ideas for your living room with the pine cones. A very amazing ideas, and pick the ideas and you can create in your home easily with a touch of nature's beauty as we guide you through the creating a living space that radiates comforts and joy. Discover the magic of Christmas decor idea for living rooms that go beyond the ordinary, infusing your space with a cozy ambience perfect for the festive gatherings and the cute moments alike. We have created a collections of ideas that celebrate the enchantings and with pine cones, bringing a natural and rustic touch of your holiday decors. Unveils the secure and the secret of crafting a cozy Christmas living room that welcome both families and friends with open arms. Warmth, colors, and the players that plus the textures and different ideas will help you transforming your living space into a very amazing and eye-catching comfortable holiday spread. Pine cones take a center stage, adding a touch of a woodland calm charms that the reasonable things resonates with the seasons of magic. and you can explore the art of creating the unique Christmas tree ideas with these paint cons. How to create the different gums and different attaching material you can also add easily, and you can make a Christmas tree in your home that is very perfect and reflect your personal style. Incorporating the paint cones, ornaments, and the subtle warmth lighting for a tree that exude the both elegance and the cozy glow. Our traditionals will guide you through the steps, ensuring your tree become the heart of your festival decors. Yeah, you can join us in this journey and the elements your holiday decors with the warmth and the coziness and the enthusiasm, or you can add the pine cones decoration pieces for your home and enjoy it, because this is very amazing and masterpieces. With the help of pine cones you can easily made in your home, in pinecone gifts that carry and a personal touch and bringing the joy to both the creators and recipients, and the difference